Hey guys, so today we are working on counting from 1 to 5. So once again, we are only going to be counting to 5. So what we're going to do is we are going to count all of these animals that we see over here. And then we're going to match them to the correct number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We are going to write these numbers as we count. First, let's practice counting. We're just going to practice counting up to 10, even though when we write, we're not going to go that high. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so that is how we count to 10. Now we're going to go over here to our pictures and our numbers. So it says trace and write the number, connect the number to the picture. So let's start out by just tracing our numbers. So they already did 1 for us. So we have 1. What comes after 1? 2. So I'm going to write 2. We're going to write it again. And then what comes after 2? Good, we have 3. This is what a 3 looks like. And if we need to use our numbers up here to help us write, we can. So I'm going to write 3 again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 comes next. 4. And then we have 5. So let's write the number 5. And we're going to write it 2 times. There's our number 5. Now, we're going to go on and just connect our pictures to our numbers. So that means that we have to count how many animals are in each picture. They already did 1 for us. So this shows 1 elephant. So we are going to connect it to 1. Let's count these penguins. So I have 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 penguins. My number 3 is right here. So I'm just going to connect those 2 circles. Let's go down here and count our dogs. So I want you guys to count with me. So I have 1, 2. So I have 2 dogs. My number 2 is right here. So I'm just going to connect that box to my dogs. All right, let's go over here and count these turtles. We have a lot more than what we did before. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 turtles. My number 5 is right here in orange. So I'm going to connect those boxes. And lastly, let's count our zebras. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 zebras. I'm going to connect it to my number 4. All right, so that is all we're going to do today. We are just practicing counting to 5. So let's do it one more time up here, and we'll practice counting to, we'll go all the way to 10. How about that? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is how we count all the way to 10. And once again, we were only working on numbers 1 through 5. All right, everybody, great job. I'm going to post this to the Google Classroom, and then you guys can check it out there.